So I recommend doing it without the goggles at first. I just went right for the goggles because I'm used to drones. But if you're new to flying drones, then to get used to this one. So there's different speed modes here. Hey my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this FPV racing drone. So this is a full complete kit. You guys can show you. We'll show you guys up close and go over some more details. But VR glasses, USB charging, gyro stabilizer, colorful LED body, range 80 to 100 m, which is 300 feet, live video, and so much more. Check this out, guys. Comes nice and packaged very well. So I'm pretty excited. And the drone is like this small. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Check it out, guys. So pretty awesome. Wow. This is going to be a lot of fun. Zoom, 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 zoom. Guys, as soon as we turned everything on, it auto connected. So right away. Alright guys, so you get 2 batteries, you get accessories and charging cables, some more accessories, screwdriver in there. This I assume is your antenna signal, but we'll check that out for picking up the drone. This is your remote. Nice sleek style. Little different, normally that snaps back. It does left and right, so we'll have to play with that a little bit. So this is your headset, SD card slot, charging port, different settings on the side, adjustable strap. So you would mount this right on here. They do give you a manual. And now for what everyone is waiting for, check it out. This is the drone. Oh, looks like you get 3 batteries. Wow. So you're going to want to make sure everything is fully charged before you run this. This looks like a lot of fun, my friends. So you connect the battery right down in there. And the remote takes 2 AAA batteries. So guys, all we had to do is turn it on and it connected. Wow, that was fast. That is awesome, guys. So let's have some fun. To get used to the height, we're going up and down is a little different, but it is so much fun. And it's a quick little drone too. So let's show you guys here. So yeah, you gotta really be careful going up and down. So when you go down, it's joystick just how it's designed, but it is so much fun. Like, you guys are gonna absolutely love this. Very nice drone. You can change the flashing color as well. So multi different colors. Alright guys, we're gonna end this. Thanks for watching. Extremely amount of fun. That, as you guys can see there, a little indent there, I gotta make it looser. That is an experience unlike most experiences. That is awesome. Once you learn how to start it, stop it, fly it, I mean, guys, this is the first FPV drone I've actually used with goggles. I've reviewed others in the past that the goggles never worked. This, everything worked how it's supposed to. The quality, you know, for being a small drone, it's good quality. Hopefully the footage worked. We recorded some, so hopefully that's been added or is going to be added. But wow, that is an experience that you gotta try. And we didn't crash it anywhere. I mean, we did go down in our grass as I was bringing it down, so got a little grass in there. We're gonna clean it up. But this is phenomenally awesome, just awesome. So I'm gonna get some other footage without the goggles now with my camera, but incredible, just absolutely incredible, guys.